So I look at Abraham shut down the gold mine and then say they're gonna control their own gold, right? Next thing you know, I see Ghana come and do the same. I'm like, oh, okay, so they were looking for somebody to just make the first move.
Same thing you talk about, the inspiration.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then Abraham has said, all right, we're not gonna speak French no more. So he's taking French outside of the school curriculum, you know?
Yes.
And I see all these great moves. And yo, it's just a good time to witness it.
Yes, and I hope Jamaican government are looking inside of some of these strategical moves.
Yeah, thing because
there's nothing taught about our maroon indigenous culture inside our schools either. You only hear about Christopher Columbus, Napoleon, and these persons. What they do, what did they do for Jamaica? Nothing.
last week I was fully in my, African attire and come out and my drums and thing, And while I was passing here, somebody said, O'Neill Green, and that's my English name, but I want a full African clothes, And it's like, because I'm detoxing so much of this, the wrong information they give us. It's like when I hear the name, I don't pay attention, it's like, I don't know how I walk, so I walk leave it same way. Because every time you hear say fire reds are, Kunte Kente.
Because
as a people, But we hear them say, Sabrown. I mean African clothes and, Yeah, so we have to detox, some of them things there and, find yourself. In Jamaica, sometimes it's hard to find the person you're looking for if you asking for their right name. Their correct name. No, you have to ask for their nickname. So if they have a Ben foot, they say, the Natney bro, or the red girl, or the red man, or the Rasta man, or, in Jamaica, you find person faster than that before, before even the right name, True. And that does show as a people, that does show as a people how much, we're African, and where we're coming from, So they say they take us out of they take a cow out of the pen, take it from Africa, but they cannot take Africa out of us. Yeah. Because it's still within the people,